Today, we're unlocking the world of remote access. Ever need to access your work computer from home? Or maybe help a friend with their tech woes? Remote access tools are your answer, but security is crucial. We have options for different needs. Remote Desktop Protocol, or RDP, perfect for Windows machines, offering a familiar desktop experience. Think of it like controlling your work PC from anywhere. Secure Shell, or SSH, great for Linux and Unix systems, ideal for text commands and server management. Virtual Network Computing, or VNC, works across platforms, allowing access from any device with a VNC client. The exact steps vary, but generally, you'll configure your VPN software first. Then, depending on the remote machine, launch the chosen remote access tool and connect using the machine's credentials. Now you can securely access any device remotely. Imagine needing to access your work computer from home, but securely. Here's a simplified breakdown of how secure remote access works. ID check. The process starts with verifying your identity, username, password, etc., through your organization's security system. Permission granted? Not so fast. Strict controls define who can access, what system, when, from where, and what they can do. Only authorized users get the green light. Access with limits. Once approved, you get a secure tunnel to access specific work systems using RDP, SSH, VNC, or similar tools. Think of it as a private passageway. All remote sessions are recorded and monitored to ensure everything is on the up and up. The admin team can even block suspicious activity. Keeping a detailed log. Every action is documented for future reference. These logs can be analyzed by security systems for even deeper insights. So, remote access lets you work from anywhere while keeping your company's data safe and secure. To know more about how you can ensure safe remote access to your cloud server, check out our latest blog on our Z Talk by ZyBiSys.